The lone survivor of a 2017 mass murder in Plano was awarded millions of dollars by a jury in a civil lawsuit against a bar where the killer was drinking before he attacked. It's not clear if Carly Shockey will see much or any of that money soon or even in the future. Despite that, Shockey, who we're hearing from for the very first time since the attack, along with her father, are trying to turn the tragedy into something positive to help others. Fox 4 Stephen Dial talked with them after the verdict. Stephen.
Steve, it was a big civil verdict to the tune of multiple tens of millions of dollars that could be awarded to the lone survivor, Carly Shockey, but it could be held up in an appeals process. But her and her family says that it's bigger than that. They want laws changed to try to prevent this from ever happening again.
I was very excited. It was surreal to me.
4 years after Spencer Height left a bar and shot and killed 8 people at the home of his estranged wife, Meredith Height, a Collin County jury found the bar partially liable in a civil trial. Records show Height's blood alcohol level was 4 times the legal limit. The surviving shooting victim was Carly Shockey, a friend of Meredith's. Meredith had been hosting a Sunday watch party for the Dallas Cowboys game against the New York Giants. Shockey talked with Fox 4 for the first time since the mass murders.
I'm fine, but I make every day, my next day, fine, just to keep going in life.
On September 10th, 2017, Spencer Height was at the local public house in Plano, a bar that has since closed. Surveillance video shows Height at the bar twice. On his second visit, court documents said the bartender texted a friend saying she thought he'd been drinking between the 2 visits. Video shows him sitting at the bar spinning a knife after pulling a gun out from his waistband. Court documents said the bartender texted a coworker stating Height told her that he had to do some, quote, dirty work. Then he left the bar and committed the worst mass murder in Plano's history before police killed him. Wednesday, a Collin County jury found Spencer Height 80% liable for the murder and the bar 20%, resulting in about $17 million said to be owed to Shockey from the bar. Fred Shriver is Shockey's attorney.
It's up to the judge to apply that percentage to the dollar figures. In this case, Spencer Height's dead. He's paid his price. The bar's share of this is the 20% of a much larger verdict.
Gregory Deans is the attorney representing the defendants. In a lengthy statement, he said in part, quote, "The bartenders at the local public house were unaware of Spencer Height's plans that evening, yet attempted to figure it out and intervene." The statement went on to say, quote, "These bartenders are heroes. Although they were also sued individually in the lawsuit, the court dismissed the cases against them prior to trial. As much as our hearts go out to the victims, this blame is misplaced. The verdict is not supportable under Texas law."
The jury was sending a message. It wasn't about awarding Carly a large sum of money for everything she's been through. It was about to send a message. There's got to be some change.
Randy Shockey is Carly's father. The financial decision could be tied up in appeals, and the bar itself is closed, so it's unclear where the money will come from. He wants lawmakers to make changes.
There's nothing in TABC that tells them what to do. There's got to be a change. I mean, we know history repeats itself.
With the course of their lives changed forever that Sunday, father and daughter have found themselves feeling the need to make a difference.
Because we're going to make something good happen of this.
I do want to help people that have gone through what I've gone through.
And again, it's important to note that we did not name the bartenders because the bartenders have not been held liable for anything civilly or criminally. This verdict was against the bar itself.